Hi, this is Steve Harwood at the Department of Innovation and Learner Engagement, and today we're going to be going over how to mail merge using Gmail and Google Sheets. At the bottom of this video, you'll see a link that'll take you to a copy of this Google Sheet. So on this Google Sheet, I've already pre-populated in first name, the user last name, their email address. These columns right here, you can actually edit. So whatever you want to name it, you can change it. I've gone ahead and populated some sample data in here to make it a little easier. The second part is that you need to draft an email in Gmail. As you can see here, I've created an email that says, "Hello, first name. Thank you for completing the assignment called assignment. You received a grade of grade. And the assignment was due on." Now, we can actually change this to match the due date. You can copy it and paste it right here. Second most important part is once I've drafted the email, I go ahead and copy that subject and then go back to the Google Sheet and click on the Mail Merge button. Please note that when you click on the Mail Merge button, you will be presented with an authorization required message. Click on Continue, click on your user when it pops up in the window. Scroll down and click on Allow. Now this is just giving the application the ability to send email on your behalf as part of the Mail Merge. Once you do that, go ahead and click Mail Merge again and click on Send Emails. Paste in the subject and then say OK. We'll give it some time to load. It may take a little bit of time for the emails to actually show as being sent. This actually depends on how many people you're sending it to and the load on the system. We're now going to check to verify that the emails have sent successfully. Go ahead and open up your Gmail and click on the Sent box. You can see that the email to Steve Dunlap and Steve Kong has gone through successfully, saying, "Hello, Steve. Thank you for completing your assignment called Google Forms Basics Quiz. You've received a grade of 92% and the assignment was due on 3/19/2021. We'll make these options available in the description of this video so you can easily use them as a template when making your mail merge. If you have any questions, please feel free to submit a work order.